let us begin with a minute of silence. Yeah? Complete silence. Let us focus on our breath, in whatever we find inside, that is our higher consciousness. And let us invite God into this session. Let us invite God कि you hear through me, you speak through the speaker, you become a part of all the interaction, and you make us understand what we ought to understand from this session. First, we'll start with the two logos of the spiritual retreat. Let us read Master Shifu's words first. If you only do what you can do, you'll never be better than you are. Correct? Are you all with that saying? If we just remain what we are, हम तो भैया ऐसे ही हैं, हम ऐसे ही रहेंगे, then you'll never become better than you are. Do we want to remain just as we are, or we want to become better? Who doesn't want to become better than you are? You don't want to become better than you are? You are fine the way you are, better? Or you want to become better? Better. Now the other one, the second motto, arise, transcend thyself. Thou art man, and the whole nature of man is to become more than himself. Can somebody here explain to me what does it mean to be more than yourself?
Kushagra ma'am,
Kushagra,
class
beautiful
8th. Ma'am, it means then being better than myself,
Huh?
to grow in life,
It's to grow in life. What does grow in life mean?
to be better than who you are,
Yes.
learning more things more and more.
Yes, if you are at a certain level in football, become even better than
Better.
that. Enter into another sports. If you are good in your maths but you're not good in science, become better in that, right? If I have anger issues, first I talked about physical. In the vital being, if I have anger issues, then be conscious that I have anger, and then work upon it. Increase your compassion,
Being better in all three parts.
in all the three parts of our being. And today we'll talk about the other aspect which is not ever talked about. Everybody talks about physical, and then less gross is vital, and even more subtle is mental. But there's something very subtle we'll talk. Yes, beta.
Is to become a superior version of yourself tomorrow than you were today.
Very good. Our competition is with ourselves only.
Exaggeration of the efforts, but more
Yes.
than a present.
Very good. Exaggeration of our efforts. You have to go on. You know what? Everybody knows about diamonds, right? Diamonds are made out of what? Carbon, coal. And what does the coal have to go through to become extreme heat and high pressure? Yes. So extreme pressure, extreme heat, and then what happens? The coal becomes refined, and when it becomes refined, what does it become? Diamond. It has more value in the world. We want to become more valued so we can give to people. We can become better. We become such centers that when people are around us, they also increase in their consciousness. They also become of a higher consciousness. Yes? Today's session is Who Am I? And for me, it is always a delight talking to you young people. You know why? Because when I talk to you guys, I learn a lot. Your questions teach me a lot. And it is such a pleasure that I just want to keep on coming again and again. Now, today, I'm going to be discussing with you in the beginning, just very short, 3 questions which are very important for us to understand in life. Questions which are hardly ever discussed in our homes or in our schools. But those 3 questions are important questions. We even call them existential questions. Has anybody here heard the word existential? No? Existential question is a question that on which depends the very existence of my life. Right? And imagine इतनी ज़रूरी question उसके बारे में ना schools बात करते हैं ना घर में बात होती है. So These are the three existential questions that we'll talk about. Today we'll just talk about one, but I'll at least inform you the three questions and you should have them written so you think about them. Yeah? The first question is, who am I? Am I just the name and person that I see in the mirror? The exterior me? Or is there a greater presence within me? An inmost presence with whom I can identify, but जिसके बारे में कभी हमें बताया ही नहीं गया. The inmost part. Second question is, what is the aim of my life? अब क्या है ना, the greater purpose of my life के बारे में कोई बात ही नहीं करता. क्या बात करते हैं? I have to first study well, then so that I get a good college. When I get a good college, then after that I should get a good job. When I get a good job, then I should get a good salary. When I get a good salary, then I will get a good spouse, husband, wife, whatever. Good children, small home, bigger home, bigger home. Is that the only purpose of life? That is also important, very important. But is this the only purpose of life? कुछ तो greater purpose of life होगा. What about the animals? They are doing exactly the same thing. They have children. They all have children. They all look after their children. When a bird has small little eggs, she waits upon the eggs till these little chicks come out. They feed them, they teach them to fly. Are we only that? We are human beings at a higher level of consciousness. So we should find out, we should think about it. Ki what is that greater purpose of our life? And as students, we must think about it. Is there some adventure? Is there some exploration that I can do? Is there some part of me where I can go into by which my level of concentration will increase? My level of happiness will increase. Is there something in me? And once we come to know what that is, that part in me that is not physical, vital and mental, when we find out about it, then we should take that journey consciously. Journey into that part. Huh? So that our concentration levels increase, our happiness increases, our sports will become better in sports, better in music, better in studies, just by getting in touch with that part of me, that part of us, which we'll discuss today. Now, this is a very important question. Has God created the universe, or has God extended himself and become the universe? Right? इसके बारे में कभी कोई ने बताया आपको? कोई बताएगा मुझे? Has God created the universe or has God become the universe? God has become the universe. Very good.
Ma'am, the God is universe because God is presented everywhere at every moment. Like gods are in trees, humans,
Yes.
everywhere. That's
So beautifully you've understood the whole point.
God has extended himself as an universe, ma'am. Ma'am, because in some spiritual book like Mahabharata, ma'am, in starting, it has mentioned about this.
Very good. Excellent. How did God become the universe? In the Mundaka Upanishad, the rishis heard that there is just like you've heard, you know how a spider spins a web out of himself? हाँ, ये तो आपने कल सारी बात समझ ली एक छोटे से 10 मिनट में. Excellent. तो जैसे स्पाइडर होता है, the web comes out of him, of his own substance, and whenever he wants, he can pull the web back inside himself. ऐसे ही God, he became the universe. He is this table, he is this chair, he is the water, he is the floor on which we walk. He is everything, right? Someday we will understand how he did this. So as you wade through life, my dear students, try and answer these three questions. आप लोग ने लिखा अपनी डायरी में तीनों questions? Yes, ma'am. Try and answer these questions to the best of your ability. Try and read texts that may give you different perspectives. If you meet personalities who will tickle your thoughts and your curiosity and lead you to deeper answers. Okay? Think about this. And I urge you to keep these questions alive in yourself. Right? Now we come to the question, who? Can we all say it together? So let me begin with a story. किसको किसको story सुनना अच्छा लगता है? हाँ, तो आज मैं अपनी favorite story सुनाऊंगी. The story is that once an eagle's egg it fell into the coop of a hen. तो वहाँ hen के बहुत सारे eggs थे. In amongst those eggs there was one blackish egg. And the hen thought कि भगवान का करना है. God is like that. He does different things. So one of my eggs is different. Doesn't matter. It's my egg. It's my child. And the hen looked after all her eggs properly. And when the children were born, all were chicken. But from one, something different crept out. मेरी बच्ची है. This eaglet is. She didn't know it was an eagle. Said this child is different. होता है ना? सब बच्चे एक से थोड़ी होते हैं. Hen also thought कि doesn't matter. And then she was feeding her the same food that she was feeding her chicken. Right? Obviously, the mother will give the same food to everybody. And then she was teaching them the same thing. How high can the chicken fly? 2 centimeters above the ground. So the eaglet was also taught to fly 2 centimeters above the ground. She would just fly that much. That's what the mother had taught. Because she believed that she's only a chicken. The eaglet didn't know that she's an eagle. She was told that she's a chicken. One day the eaglet saw a huge eagle flapping his wings and gliding through the sky. 2 बार flap, इतने strong wings, 2 बार flap किया and then the eaglet looked up and he asked his mother hen, what is that? Can I also fly like that? The hen replied, no, you can't fly like that. That bird is an eagle. It can fly like that. You are just a chicken. You will just be a hen. इस कहानी से कुछ समझ आ रहा? Just as the eaglet was brought up believing that he is only a and has the potentiality of only a. Similarly, it is hammered into us. Vinayak, आपने बोला था ना that I am a human. Yes, you are a human, but you are not only a human. Okay? It has been hammered into us that after all, I'm just a human. And we started believing that we only have the potentiality of a human being, that we are limited beings. Are we really limited beings? Or do we have something divine, a divine element within us? Who all believe that we have a divine element within us? Who don't believe, वो बाद में after the talk फिर बताना मुझे कि do you believe that you have the divine element inside you? Can somebody tell me what does divine mean? Yes, what? God. That is, God is also called the divine. So we have a God element within us. What is the difference between the divine element and this human body? Can somebody tell me?
Ma'am, my name is Pehal Tiwari, and I was saying that the human body are limited and they can't do things things that God and a divine power can do. There was a question: has God created the universe, or He has extended himself or herself to become the universe? So between the divine power and us, there's a difference that he can do anything, but we can't do anything. We are limited, and he is not limited. He is everywhere, but we can't
Beautiful.
live anywhere.
Very beautiful answer. So, what is the difference between our outer being, which is limited, and the inmost being, which is perfect, because it is God Himself, divine, right? So we are a spiritual being in a human journey. Now we'll just go through this very fast. Promni ma'am, Rahul sir, Rahul bhaiya, Neel bhaiya, Palak didi have already done such a beautiful drama yesterday. Right? I am a physical body. We talked about it. Physical, I am an emotional, vital being. We've already done this in the morning, right? And we are a mental being. You know, there was a great philosopher. His name was Descartes. And Descartes said, cogito ergo sum. What does that mean? He said, I think, therefore I am. मैंने बोला कि क्योंकि मैं सोच सकता हूँ इसका मतलब I am alive. Right? That is his mental being. Now, that we are also a mental being is undeniable. Of course, we are mental beings also. But unfortunately in schools, only mental education, वो भी information, पढ़ाई 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 कराई जाती है. That does not lead to the full development of the mind. In the morning when I was talking to you, I think Adamya had said, I said, what is good mental education? And Adamya said, we should learn to be able to be silent. We should learn to be able to be, to be able to meditate, right? Then the mind becomes silent. Then there are higher and higher and very high levels of mind. Then those start finding an entry into our mind. But that will only happen when the mind learns to become silent, calm. Very good, Kushag. When the mind learns to become calm, peaceful, then from the higher levels of mind, they are also being told by Sri Aurobindo. There is mind, higher mind, illumined mind, intuitive mind, overmind, supermind. अब वी डोंट वांट टू वी आर नॉट सेइंग कि हम वहाँ पहुँचना चाहते हैं. हम कहते हैं हम अपना प्रेपरेशन करते हैं, खाली प्रेपरेशन करते हैं कि हम माइंड को थोड़ा टाइम, थोड़ी थोड़ी देर में साइलेंट करते हैं. जब हमारा माइंड साइलेंट तैयार होगा तो जो भी ऊपर से आना है उसके लिए रेडी होगा. जैसे हम फार्म में हैं, हम फार्म में कुछ खेती करना चाहते हैं. हाँ, नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन? अगर हमारा बीज के लिए लैंड ही नहीं तैयार है, उसमें ठीक से खाद ही नहीं डली है, द ग्राउंड इज नॉट रेडी, इवन इफ यू पुट द सीड अंकुरित करेगा? विल इट ग्रो? यू हैव टू कीप द सॉइल रेडी. And that is what happens when in mental education, when we keep the soil of the mind ready by making it silent, more and more and more silent. Is that clear? Right? Now I'm coming to the $1,000,000 question. Are we only the physical body, vital emotional body, mental body, or is there some other aspect in us?
You only told us that there are mental body, physical body, and vital body, and you only told us that there are some parts of our brain. So they all are spread. So there are only not 3 aspects. There are many other aspects which are as parts of these 3 aspects.
No, beta. When I talked about the higher mind, illumined mind, intuitive mind, those are above our mind level. So they are not part of the physical. But the physical mind is ours, na? वो तो हमारे हाथ में है. उसको साइलेंट करना, उसको काम करना, उसको तैयार करना और हायर माइंड्स को इनवाइट करना, ये हमारे हाथ में है. उनका कब आने का, वो आएंगे हमारे प्रेपरेशन के हिसाब से. गॉट इट? ठीक है. अब आपको कुछ हिंदी में कविता सुनने का मन है? हमारे अंदर ना बहुत अंधेरे हैं और उन अंधेरों से हमारा जो वो पोर्शन है जो डिवाइन है वो छुपा हुआ है, उसको हमारे को निकालना है. तो इसमें लिखा है, अंधेरों को अपने छिपा कर रखा है अपने से. अंधेरों को अपने छिपा कर रखा है अपने से, दिखते हैं तो चुभते हैं, विवश करते हैं, जगाते हैं, नहीं सोने देते रज और तम के अंधेरे. हमको जब दिखता है ना कि हमारे अंदर ये कमी है तो फिर हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता है. बट अगर हम रियल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन की जर्नी पे हैं, तो हम अपने अंधेरों को देखेंगे और फिर उनको ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे, है ना? वी टॉक्ड अबाउट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, राइट? कोल का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन इनटू डायमंड अंडर प्रेशर, वी विल डू दैट. इसी अंधकार ने मुझे मुझसे छिपाया है, इसी अंधकार ने मुझसे छिपाया है, दर्पण में ही बस मुझसे मिलवाया है. What we see in the mirror, is that only us? या हमारे अंदर कुछ छिपा हुआ है that दर्पण में नहीं दिखता, बट वो है ना? हाँ, सोल. कहाँ है वो ज्योति? कहाँ है वो ज्योति जिसके प्रकाश में स्वयं से मिल सकूंगी जड़ चेतन आकाश में? वो कहाँ है? जब हम अपने सोल से वाकिफ होंगे, then I'll be able to see God in everything. But पहले the inmost journey has to begin. That exploration, that discovery, that movement has to be within us. इसी अंधकार ने मुझे भरमाया है, संसार को सुख का आधार बताया है. क्या हैप्पीनेस खाली संसार से मिलेगी, आइसक्रीम, मूवी और फ्रेंड से मिलेगी, कि कुछ कहीं और भी सुख है? जॉय है, कहाँ है वो, है ना, खुशबू, वो ढूंढना है। कहाँ है वो ज्योति, वो चिर आनंद की वृष्टि, स्नान मात्र से जिसके आनंद में होगी सृष्टि। बिकॉज गॉड इज आनंद, ही इज कॉल्ड सत चित आनंद, तो हिज नेचर इज आनंद। पर वो तभी तो वर्षा होएगी उनकी जब हम अपने अंधकार को हटाएंगे, जब हम ट्रांसफॉर्म होने की कोशिश करेंगे। फिर हम लोग अपने आप को समझते हैं हम बड़े वीक हैं। इसी अंधकार ने मुझे नारी दुर्बल बताया है कि हम लोग तो नारी हैं या ह्यूमन बीइंग हैं, तो हम तो लिमिटेड हैं। चित शक्ति के प्रवाह से विच्छिन्न कराया है। कहाँ है वो ज्योति, जब इस ज्योति से मिलेंगे तो हमारे अंदर अनबिलीवेबल एनर्जी पोर आउट होएगी, राइट। कहाँ है वो ज्योति, ऊर्जा का स्रोत असीम, करेगी अपरा प्रकृति, ये अपरा प्रकृति है, करेगी अपरा प्रकृति को परा प्रकृति में विलीन, राइट। नाउ लेट अस ऑल क्लोज आवर आईज, एवरीबडी क्लोज योर आईज and invoke that dazzling light within. It's a brilliant light. We will call for that light. उस ज्योति को बुलाओ, उस लाइट को बुलाओ, उस ज्योति का आज आवाहन करती हूँ, उस ज्योति का आज आवाहन करती हूँ, अंजलि में अंजलि का प्रवाहन करती हूँ। आज उस मैं से मिलना है, आज उस मैं से मिलना है, वो मैं जो मैं हूँ अनंत काल से। हे प्रभु, हे प्रभु, हे प्रभु। सो लेट अस ऑल अटेम्प्ट टू कनेक्ट टू दैट हायर प्रेजेंस विद इन अस। अब एक क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछना है आप लोग से। तो श्रेष्ठ, डू यू थिंक इन योर लास्ट लाइफ ऑल्सो यू वर श्रेष्ठ? सेम पेरेंट, सेम स्कूल, सेम लाइफ?
No,
in your
ma'am.
next life also you will be same श्रेष्ठ?
No, ma'am.
So that means you were there in your last life, and the life before that, and the life before that,
Yes, ma'am.
and you will continue into many other lives after this life.
Yes, ma'am.
So it is not this physical body that is continuing.
Yes, ma'am.
What is continuing? ये बात
Ma'am, mental body.
mental body. Are you sure? Mental तो mind में है.
No, ma'am, soul.
हाँ, soul, yes. It is जिसके बारे में हम अभी बात करेंगे. It is this soul that was before that, before that, before that, and it is there in Shreshth's body this time, and it will continue into many other lives after that. So who is Shresth? Are you only this physical body?
No, ma'am.
You are that soul within, that divine element inside you. वो आप हैं. Who am I का आंसर तो मिल गया. अब आगे कुछ करना है कि नहीं करना है? आगे और सुनना है कि नहीं सुनना है? सुनना है? ओके. अब whatever I want to tell you after this, it is through आप्त वाक्य प्रमाण. अभी तो बड़ा डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है. आप्त पता नहीं, वाक्य पता नहीं, प्रमाण पता नहीं, ये मैम क्या बोल रही लैटिन ग्रीक. हाँ, आप्त मीन्स दैट पर्सन हु हैज अटेन्ड रियलाइजेशन, जो रियलाइज सोल है. जब वो कुछ बोलेंगे तो उस बात की अहमियत होगी ना, बिकॉज उन्होंने बोला है, हमारे ऋषि ने बोला है, तो हमको उसमें विश्वास होगा. अंजलि मैम बोल रही तो क्या जरूरत है विश्वास करने की, है ना. आप्त मीन्स वन हु हैज अटेन्ड. वाक्य मीन्स his utterance, his words. Praman means proof. So he who has attained, who has realized the truth, the reality, his words are a living testimony. ठीक है, समझ आ गया? आप का मीनिंग नहीं आया. आप दैट मीन्स आप बहुत ध्यान से सुन रहे हो. वेरी गुड. आपका नाम क्या है? दर्श. आप का मीनिंग है वन हु हैज रियलाइज्ड. जो जैसे हम लोग ने सुना है ना, वेद व्यास जी ऋषि थे, जैसे जिसने महाभारत को लिखा और सारे वेदों को कंपाइल किया. जैसे आप बहुत बड़े अच्छे सेजेस को मिलते हो. रामायण किसने लिखी? वाल्मीकि जी ने. महर्षि वेरी गुड, महर्षि वाल्मीकि जी ने. तो वो कुछ बोलेंगे तो उसका विश्वास होगा ना, वो महर्षि हैं. तो महर्षि, ऋषि, इन लोगों की बात के थ्रू हम आपको दिखाएंगे कि हमारे अंदर वो सोल है. आप का मतलब वो जो रियलाइज कर चुके हैं, जो नॉलेज के बियॉन्ड, विजडम के बियॉन्ड भी जा चुके हैं, जिनके अंदर इंट्यूशन से, इल्यूमिन प्लेन से, इंट्यूशन से और हायर लेवल से नॉलेज उनके अंदर ऐसे ही फ्लो कर रही है, वो उस इंसान को कहते हैं, उस महर्षि को कहते हैं आप्त. ही इज अ रियलाइजर. अंडरस्टूड? ओके. I am that self luminous light within. I am the soul. The Atma. The Ruh. Which was. Which is. And which shall be. Self luminous कौन समझा और कौन नहीं समझा? What is self luminous?
Vande Mataram, ma'am. I am myself Sadhika Mathur. I study in grade 6th. Ma'am, self luminous light means जो अंदर की हमारी रोशनी है.
हाँ, बट सेल्फ ल्यूमिनस का मतलब उसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बैटरी की ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो इट इज़ लाइट, येट इट एमिट्स इट्स ओन लाइट बिकॉज इट इज़ लाइट. वेरी गुड साध्विका.
Ma'am, self-luminous means, ma'am, the person who knows his potential and inner soul from inside and which has a bright light of his soul.
Self luminous means that light which is
Emitted by an soul.
itself. It doesn't need anything else to right. जैसे स्वयंभू कहते हैं ना, शिव जी अपने भारतवर्ष में कई जगह शिवलिंग्स हैं जो स्वयंभू हैं, जो खुद आए हैं, किसी ने कार्व आउट नहीं किया है. गेट इट? वो स्वयंभू होता है. और अभी हम लोग बोल रहे हैं सेल्फ ल्यूमिनस which is by itself alive there, right? Let us read it again. I am that self luminous light within. I am the soul, the Atma, the Ruh, which was, which is, and which shall be. I am not an illusion. अब इसका मतलब कौन समझाएगा?
Ma'am, meaning of this phrase is that I am not illusion. That it is not like it's. I'm not an illusion. Ma'am, मतलब ये कोई परछाई नहीं है. It's not a shadow or something.
Very good.
I am not an illusion means, ma'am, that believe in me. I am existing.
I'm
not.
real. I'm existing. Very good. Very good. So, because later on in life, what will happen that you may meet some saints who will say, अरे ये तो पूरा जगत माया है. ये जगत माया नहीं है. ये जगत है. हम हैं. हमारे अंदर की ये लाइट है. और हमको इसका एक पर्पस है. इस जीवन का पर्पस ये नहीं कि जल्दी से जल्दी मोक्ष मिले और जाएं यहाँ से. God has not made a mistake. If He has brought us into this world, it is to perfect ourselves. And बोलते हैं, वो तो गीता में बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं गीता में? मद भावम आगत, मेरे नेचर का बनो. एक जन्म में नहीं होगा ये काम, बहुत जन्म चाहिए, अनेक जन्म लगेंगे इस काम के लिए. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. अनेक जन्म लगेंगे इस काम के लिए. मोक्ष चाहिए, मोक्ष चाहिए. क्या बात कर रहे हैं? बात करिए, हम परफेक्ट होना चाहते हैं, परफेक्ट होना चाहते हैं, परफेक्ट. वर्क ऑन दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ रनिंग आफ्टर मोक्ष मोक्ष मोक्ष. मोक्ष जिस दिन हम लायक होंगे उस दिन भगवान हमको मोक्ष भी दे देंगे. बट डोंट रन आफ्टर मोक्ष, रन आफ्टर परफेक्शन. राइट? It does that make sense to you all? Okay. So do you want to read this again? I am not an illusion. तो फिर हम क्या हैं? I am Satchidanand himself. Satchidanand is the name of God. And God का नाम सच्चिदानंद हमारे ऋषियों ने रखा, जो आप हैं, जो रियलाइज हैं. सच्चिदानंद को ब्रेकअप किया है हमने यहाँ. क्या है? व्हाट आर द 3 पार्ट्स? सत, चित, आनंद. सत का मतलब आई एम सेल्फ एग्जिस्टेंट. जैसे हमने बोला था स्वयंभू. आई एम सेल्फ एग्जिस्टेंट. आई एग्जिस्ट बाय माई सेल्फ. आई डोंट नीड any outer power to exist, right? And what does chit mean? I am conscious of myself. I am conscious of everything. I am consciousness itself. And ananda ka matlab bliss. So let us read this together again. I am not an illusion. Who am I then? I am Satchidanand himself. Sat himself. I am Sat. I am Chit. I am Ananda. What does Sat mean? Sat means I am self-existing. I am existing by myself. Right? I am Chit means I am always conscious. I am consciousness itself. And I am Ananda. Ananda means I am bliss. So all those who want to be happy, can we get only happiness from the ice cream and the movie? That also is important. But there is another kind of joy. We'll talk about it someday. The difference between pleasure, happiness, joy, ananda. Someday, if we get time, we'll talk about the 4 levels of happiness. That you reach the level of ananda.
My name is Agrim. Can you explain bliss again?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
सी नाउ तो आज बोलना ही पड़ेगा अबाउट प्लेजर. प्लेजर क्या चीज़ से मिलता है? आइसक्रीम खा ली, थोड़ी मस्ती कर ली, अच्छी मूवी देख ली, फ्रेंड्स के साथ मस्ती कर ली. दैट गिव्स अस ब्लिस, विल सेटिस्फाई आवर सोल. वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. प्लेजर वो है. प्लेजर के ऊपर क्या है? हैप्पीनेस. हैप्पीनेस है कि हमने किसी को हेल्प किया. किसी को हेल्प किया तो हैप्पीनेस मिलती है कि नहीं? जब आपने बोला नहीं नहीं आप बोलो, युग ने बोला नहीं नहीं आप बोलो, आपको हैप्पीनेस मिली कि मैंने अपने से ज़्यादा युग के बारे में सोचा. युग को हैप्पीनेस मिली, मैंने अपने से ज़्यादा भव्य के बारे में सोचा. हैप्पीनेस है दैट व्हेन वी डू फॉर अदर्स, राइट. फिर उसके ऊपर क्या है? जॉय. जॉय कब मिलता है? जब कोई अंदर से, हमारे अंदर से पोएम निकल जाती है, या हमारे अंदर हमने कोई फैकल्टी ग्रो करी. हम मैथ्स में वीक हैं और हमने मैथ्स में इतनी एफर्ट करी कि हम मैथ्स में क्लास में फर्स्ट आने लग गए. दैट गिव्स अस जॉय, है ना. अब आनंद कब मिलता है? जब हम अपने अंदर वाली इस लाइट के साथ एक होने की कोशिश भी करते हैं, तभी जॉय मिलने लगता है. वेट नहीं करना कि जॉय मिला कि नहीं मिला, उस लाइट से मिले कि नहीं मिले. उस लाइट के बारे में सोचने से ही जॉय मिलने लगता है. एक पोयम सुनाए? कौन सुनेगा? 4 लाइन की पोयम है. हाँ. तेरी खोज में ये आनंद है तो, जब उस आनंद को ढूंढते हैं ना, तेरी खोज में ये आनंद है तो फिर क्या होगा तुझे पाने में. जब खोज में ही आनंद होने लगता है. आज किसको किसको जॉय फील हो रहा है? क्योंकि हम लोग उसकी बात कर रहे हैं जो खुद आनंद है. तेरी खोज में ये आनंद है तो फिर क्या होगा तुझे पाने में. दर्शन की एक चाह मात्र ने सुख बुना है ताने बाने में. इस जन्म या अगले जन्म में मिल, मैं तृप्त हूँ दिल में बसाने में. बस लगन तेरी यूं लगी रहे, ये कृपा कर अपने दीवाने पे. तो ये है आनंद. अब आनंद समझ आ गया? ओके. अब यहाँ में कितने लोगों ने कभी भगवत गीता का नाम सुना है? एक्सीलेंट, सबने सुना है. कोई उसमें से कोई वर्ड्स बहुत पसंद है? एनी वन ऑफ यू लाइक सम वर्ड्स आउट ऑफ इट? रियली लव सम वन वर्ड्स आउट ऑफ इट?
वंदे मातरम मैम. मेरा नाम आर्यन है.
हाँ बोलो.
एंड मैम कि मैम भगवत गीता में मैम एक है कि कर्म करो फल की चिंता मत करो.
वेरी नाइस, वेरी गुड.
Ma'am, my name is Anchita. I'm from 9th class. Ma'am, I know a shloka. Ma'am, यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परीक्षणाय साधूनां तदात्मानं चतुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Very good. Can everybody clap for her? Very good. Very good. अब मैं अपना फेवरेट वर्स बताऊं भगवत गीता का. ममय वांशो जीवलोके जीवभूतः सनातनः. This is from chapter 15 verse 7, in which Sri Krishna is telling Arjun, it is an eternal portion of me that becomes the jiva in the world of living creatures. हमने बोला था ना आप्त. ये वेद व्यास जी ने बोला कि मैं, श्री कृष्ण कह रहे मैं ही, आई बिकम द सोल. तो जिसको श्री कृष्ण से बहुत प्यार है, कहाँ मिलेंगे श्री कृष्ण आपको? क्योंकि वही हैं. सो नाउ श्री अरबिंदो, बिकॉज ही वॉज ऑल्सो रियलाइज पर्सन, उन्होंने क्या कहा? उन्होंने कहा each one of us is in reality an eternal individual, an eternal unborn, undying power of the one existence. So, the right way to understand this statement is that within each one of us lives our real self, that real me that has been traveling from life to life to life, from birth to rebirth to rebirth. Clear? And one more word, some more words from Sri Aurobindo's Savitri. Huh? But since she knows the toil of mind and life, she, Mane, the Divine Mother, but since she knows the toil of mind and life, as a mother feels and shares her children's lives, she puts forth a small portion of herself, a being no bigger than the thumb of man, into a hidden region of the heart. ये जो heart है हमारा, उसके पीछे she puts forth, mother puts forth her own self, which is how big? Angushta Matram. In the Katha Upanishad, Rishi Vajashrava says that the soul is, how big is the soul? As big as a thumb. And it's a flame which is not red. It's a white, cool flame. And what is the nature of that flame? Who can remember? Satchidanand. Yes. So that flame is the real me. Okay? Now tell me, if you all ask me, ma'am, aapka naam kya hai? Who are you? Not aapka naam. Who are you? Will I put my hand on my mind and say, I am Anjali? Do you all say, I am Aradhya? Do you say like that? No. Do you put your hand on your hand and say, I am Vinayak? Do you put it on your... No, na? Where do you put your hand when you say, I am Anjali? On the soul, not here. Here. Why do we do this? Because यहाँ हमारी आत्मा है, इसलिए हम अपनी आत्मा पे हाथ रख के बोलते हैं हम ये है, बट कोई बताता ही नहीं कि ये कौन है. आज समझ आ गया ना? क्लियरली समझ आ गया? चलो, नाउ वी विल अगेन जस्ट गो थ्रू हु एम आई रियली. अब आपने कोई ने मेरे से नहीं पूछा कि मैम फिर एम आई दिस फिजिकल वाइटल मेंटल इम्परफेक्ट आउटर बीइंग और एम आई दैट परफेक्ट इनमोस्ट बीइंग. ये क्वेश्चन आया किसी के अंदर कि मैम हम फिजिकल वाइटल मेंटल हैं कि हम सोल हैं? वेरी गुड. आई एम अ layered being. What am I? I am a layered being. In my outer being, I am an imperfect becoming. है ना? Imperfect है ना? Mind भी imperfect है, vital भी imperfect है, physical भी imperfect है. But it is gradually moving towards perfection. In my inner being, the subtle being, I am connected to the whole universe. But in my inmost being, it is the highest reality. I am God. I am divine himself. Soham asmi. है ना? I am perfect. I am eternal. I am infinite. And this is why our Vedic rishis prayed to the divine Shakti. And what did they say? किसी को ये prayer मालूम है?
Ma'am, my name is Vivanshura. Asto ma sadgamaya tamso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya.
अब इसमें थोड़ा करेक्शन कर दें. संस्कृत टीचर्स आप लोग बताइएगा. अस्तो नहीं बोलते हैं, स पूरा होता है. तमसो नहीं बोलते हैं, म पूरा होता है. असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय. Asato ma sadgamaya का मीनिंग, वी आर प्रेइंग टू द डिवाइन मदर. व्हाट आर वी सेइंग? कि हमें असत से सत की तरफ ले जाओ. असत माने फ्रॉम द अनरियल, जो अनरियल है उसे रियल की तरफ ले जाओ. तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, ये तो हमारे स्कूल का मोटो है. अंधकार, वेरी गुड मैम. टेक मी फ्रॉम अंधकार टू प्रकाश. व्हाट इज अंधकार? Ignorance. Darkness, अंधकार is actually symbolifying ignorance. तो हम लोग ignorant बैठे, हमें पता ही नहीं कि हम सोल हैं. आज तो हम लोग लाइट की तरफ चले गए कि नहीं? What does light show? Light is knowledge. So, from the darkness of ignorance, oh Ma, take me towards light of knowledge. And the last one, मृत्योर माँ अमृतम गमय.
मैं हमें मृत्यु से जीवन की ओर ले चलो.
जीवन नहीं, अमृतम.
अमृत
अमृत का मतलब
अमर कर दो.
very good. So, from this imperfect outer being, by consciously transforming ourselves, gradually we will grow into perfection. कौन सब अपने consciously अपने आप को perfect करना चाहते हैं? सब करना चाहते हैं. इस साइड वाले ज़्यादा करना चाहते हैं, उस साइड वाले सोच रहे हैं. We'll think about it. If the eaglet knew that she had within her the potentiality to fly like an eagle, would she not have tapped that potential and flown in her early years? She would have, na, but she didn't know. Now we don't know that we have the divine within us, but आज तो पता चल गया है ना. So now the journey will become easier. Will it become easier or no? It will become easier. Why? Because now we have a method. We know, we'll now discuss the method by which we can tap that, invite it and bring it out into whatever. हाँ?
मैम हमारे अंदर वो होती है कैपेसिटी, पर हम उसको हम
यूटिलाइज
नहीं कर पाते. हमें पता नहीं होता कि हमारे अंदर इतनी वो है power.
Exactly, we don't know, we didn't know, but now we know. So just one more thing I want you to know, कि इस अग्नि का नेचर क्या है? The nature of this Agni is Satyam, Shivam, Sundaram. What is it fond of? Truth, beauty and goodness. जब हम, those of us who are naturally inclined towards truth, who don't like untruth, right? That means you are very close to your soul. Those of us who want beauty all around them, that means your soul is very much in front. That is why you don't like anything that's ugly or unkempt. You like to keep things nicely. We have to find the method. कि क्या method है जिससे हम ये कर सकें. Analogically अगर हम देखें, have you ever seen a building being made? कोई के father या brother या uncle architect हैं? Ask your mama. When he designs a building, does he give the whole plan at once to the masons? Mason जो काम कर रहा है, जो laborer है, उसको सारा डिज़ाइन शुरू से आखिर तक दे देते हैं क्या? नहीं देते हैं. मेसन को थोड़ा सा पार्ट बोलते हैं कि भाई आज तुम खुदाई करो, खुदाई करके थोड़ा फाउंडेशन के लिए तैयारी करो. फिर उसके बाद दैट इज़ द वे द आर्किटेक्ट डज. ही गिव्स अ लिटिल प्लान एट वन एट अ टाइम. नाउ व्हाई एम आई टेलिंग यू दिस स्टोरी? हु इज़ द आर्किटेक्ट इन आवर बॉडी? सोल. यस, he is the architect. And who are the masons? The physical, vital and mental are the masons. And now if the masons will not listen to the architect, and they say, the physical will say, I will design the body myself. Vital will say, I will design my own design. Mental will say, I will design my own design. What will happen of this body? Because the divine has some beautiful plan for us. But only those people will come to know the plan whose physical, vital and mental will go inwards in whatever they are doing and pray and invite the soul forward. I invite you. You tell me what I have to do. That is why that 1 minute of silence. What did we pray in the 1 minute of silence?
To invite God here.
To speak through us, to hear through us, to interact through us. You know? So that is that one prayer we will do in the next session, in the mantra session. It's the first verse of the Rig Veda. We'll do it in the next session. So what do we have to do? We have to keep inviting the architect and say, आप अपना plan बताओ, आगे हमें कैसे पढ़ना है geography के लिए. मेरा geography का exam आ रहा है. I have to study for it. But I don't know how I have to study. And how long does it take? 3 seconds. You know how? In the first second, we remember the soul. Second, what do? We offer that this is what I'm going to do. I offer it to you. And in the third second, what do? We invite कि आप आगे आके करो. Now अब सोचो if you are sitting for an examination. You've understood what are the 3 steps? The 3-second magic. In Gomti Nagar, we do the 3-second magic all the time in our Gomti Nagar campus. Remember? Offer. Invite. नाउ कैन समबडी गिव मी एन एग्जांपल कि हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, कोई चीज़ आप करने वाले हैं.
मैम हम लोग ऐसा कर सकते हैं, सबसे पहले हमने जो भी याद किया उन सबको रिमेंबर किया कि हमने ये सारी चीज़ें रिवाइज करी हैं और अच्छे से याद करी हैं. फिर उसके बाद गॉड को ऑफ़र करेंगे कि मैं इस चीज़ की और अच्छे से तैयारी करने जा रहा हूँ, आप प्लीज़ मेरे को हेल्प कीजिए. और फिर आखिरी स्टेप में हम लोग उनको पूरा इनवाइट कर लेंगे.
कि आप ही हमारे थ्रू करिए.
यस मैम.
राइट.
हियर थ्रू अस एंड डू फ्रॉम अस.
यस. अब आप एग्जामिनेशन दे रहे हैं. यू सिटिंग देयर. एन एग्जामिनेशन पेपर आपके सामने है. इफ यू राइट इट फ्रॉम द माइंड और इफ गॉड राइट्स इट थ्रू योर माइंड, विच वन विल बी अ बेटर पेपर?
द गॉड राइट्स फ्रॉम द माइंड.
प्रॉब्लम है क्या गॉड को इनवाइट करने में?
नो मैम.
बताइए. अच्छा, सपोज आप लोग का कुछ झगड़ा होने वाला है कोई फ्रेंड्स के बीच में, हाँ, और आप कुछ बोलने वाले हैं फ्रेंड को, आप अपसेट हैं फ्रेंड से, तो अगर आप जाकर के अपने एंगर में बात करेंगे तो बेटर बोलेंगे, या अगर आपने पहले गॉड को इनवाइट किया, बोला आप मेरे थ्रू बोल दीजिएगा, विच वन विल बी बेटर? हार्मनी किस में बेटर होएगी? गॉड को इनवाइट करेंगे अगर, तो हर चीज़ में इनवाइट करने में प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है? कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या? नहीं है ना? है क्या? नहीं. हाँ, इसीलिए बचपन से ही बच्चों को इस आत्मा के बारे में अवगत कराना बहुत ज़रूरी है. फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड चिल्ड्रन शुड बी टोल्ड अबाउट इट, राइट? And to get in touch with our soul, what do we have to do? We have to have a quest. अंदर से एक aspiration होना चाहिए. I want to get in touch. Only those people will be able to get in touch with the soul who really want to get in touch with the soul, right? उसके बाद में कुछ समय भी निकालना पड़ेगा उसके लिए, right? And then we will be able to जितनी sincerity होगी उतना होगा. श्री अरविंदो की ये मेरे को words बहुत पसंद हैं. So let me read them out to you. आप लोग भी पढ़िए. In moments when the inner lamps are lit, and the life's cherished guests are left outside, our spirit sits alone and speaks to its gulfs. A wider consciousness opens then its doors, invading from spiritual silences. बताया था ना, silences. A ray of the timeless glory stoops a while to commune with our seized illumined clay. And leaves its huge white stamp upon our lives. जब हम साइलेंट होएंगे, इनर लैम्प स्टिल होएंगी, लिट होएंगी, अंदर की लाइट, और बाहर की शोरगुल बंद है, एंड आवर स्पिरिट इज सिटिंग एंड टॉकिंग टू इट्स गल्फ्स, तब वो वाइडर वाली कॉन्शियसनेस विल ओपन इट्स डोर्स, राइट? गल्फ माने दैट वाइडनेस, आवर स्पिरिट विल सिट एंड स्पीक टू द गल्फ्स, राइट? समझ गए ना? Whenever we meet a new person and we want to get friendly with that person, what do we do? वो सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं? What do we exchange? Greetings. उसके बाद what do we ask that person for? Name. फिर what else do we ask for आजकल? Cell phone number, है ना? Introduction, cell phone number. Then we want to keep in touch with that person. हाँ? Will you be my friend? एड्रेस मांगते हैं, देन हम उसमें कुछ मैसेज भेजते हैं, कभी गुड मॉर्निंग भेजते हैं, कभी गुड इवनिंग भेजते हैं, कभी कोई फॉरवर्ड भेजते हैं, फिर कभी बुला लेते हैं. तो हमको किसी के साथ फ्रेंडशिप करनी है तो क्या करते हैं? उसके साथ इंटरैक्शन करते हैं ना. तो अगर हमको अपने सोल के साथ में फ्रेंडशिप करनी है तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? इंटरैक्शन विद द सोल करना पड़ेगा. और कितना ईजी है, 3 सेकंड तो कोई भी निकाल सकता है, राइट? Is it difficult to take out the 3 seconds? हमारी लाइफ झिंगलाला हो जाएगी यार. वो 3 सेकंड तो निकाल लो, दिन में 4-5 बार, 7-8 बार, फिर धीरे धीरे आदत बढ़ती जाएगी.
I just want to know, he has written to commune with our seized illumined clay.
हाँ, तो this clay is the physical body and it is seized by the light now because it's interested in the light and it is getting illumined by that light which is coming. So we are, that ray, when we open our doors to that light, outside and within us, then that light will stoop down to meet us and meet this clay which is seized by that light. So, who am I? Very nice. Now let me read it. I am not an illusion. समझ आ गया ना? I am Satchidanand. I am Sat, Chit, Ananda. I am self-existent, Sat. I am consciousness, Chit. I am Ananda, bliss. Okay, it's clear now? Should I end with a story? So there was a beggar, and he was sitting by the side of the same road for over 30 years. Same spot. He was sitting and begging. And one day a stranger was walking by, and the beggar said, he took out his cap and said, spare some change. Just give some change, at least I'll get a coffee. So the stranger said, but I have nothing to give you. I have nothing, I can't give you anything. So he said, something you can give me. He said, but I have nothing. But what are you sitting on? He said, nothing, I'm sitting on an old box. I've been sitting on this old box for as long as I remember. So the stranger asked him, have you ever looked inside the box? The beggar said, no, why will I look inside the box? I've been sitting on it for 30 years. What will there be in that box? What's the point? The stranger said, अरे एक बार देख लो ना, देखने में क्या जाता है? Then the stranger helped him. I'm also a stranger with you all just now, na? Now I won't be. So the stranger said, देख लो ना, एक बार देखने में क्या जाता है? Have a look inside. So he tried to open the lid. And you know what was that box filled with? Gold. Exactly, Adamya. Excellent. So, those who have not found their true wealth, which is inside us, that gold is within us. We are sitting with it. We are 15 years old, 16 years old, 10 years old, 9 years old. And we don't know about the presence of that gold within us, that light within us, Ananda within us. But today we have become conscious of that Ananda within us. And we must be able to use that potentiality to become better beings. We have to move from being a coal to becoming a diamond, from an imperfection to perfection. So may all of us together embark on a journey, holding each other's hands, helping each other move forward step by step. Thank you. Vande Mataram. So can we just do half a minute of silence?
Ma'am, my name is Pahel Tiwari and I am from 6th AA. So, ma'am, there was a question, has God created the universe or has God extended himself or herself to become the universe? So, ma'am, I got stuck in this because as I think God has created the universe as ma'am as when Shiva gets angry, so all his anger moves in the universe, moves in the universe, so ma'am, this was my question that I was stuck in it. Please can you tell the answer?
This whole universe is not away from God. God is not sitting in some heaven and he has made this universe and he is enjoying himself there. That's not our God. Our God loves us. He expanded himself first and what did he become? He became space. नहीं तो space नहीं होगा तो universe कैसे होगा? Can there be this universe without space? Then he expanded himself and he became time. बिना time के universe नहीं हो सकता. And then he became the universe in his space and time. So it is he who is suffering, he who is enjoying within that space that he is. भगवान का एक और शॉर्ट फॉर्म बताएं. भगवान को कैसे लिखते हैं? भ ग व भ ग व अ न, है ना? भ भूमि, द 5 एलिमेंट्स जो हैं वो सारा भगवान है. भूमि, गगन माने स्पेस, हाँ, भ ग व, वायु, अग्नि, अग्नि और नीर, 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 वाटर. 5 एलिमेंट्स है ना. तो these 5 elements are God only.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. But like Purana or in the Hindu text, we have learned that Shiva is on mountains of
Mount
Kailash.
Kailash.
Yes, ma'am.
So he is there. What God is not like us. हम क्या है, हम थोड़ी लिमिटेड है ना. जब तक हम फिजिकल वाइटल मेंटल में हैं, हम लिमिटेड हैं. तो अगर अंजलि यहाँ बैठी है, अंजलि cannot at the same time be there. But God is unlimited. He can be there as Shiva and he can be here as Mehak. He can be here as Adamya. He can be here like you. So God is unlimited. He can be there. He can be the universe and he can be you as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Vande Mataram, ma'am. Myself, Agrima. So, ma'am, I had a question, ma'am. The word that Sachinanda, मैम उसमें जो सत था मैम, सेल्फ एग्जिस्टेंस उसमें लिखा था, जो पूरा पैराग्राफ था. मैम सेल्फ एग्जिस्टेंस का मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल क्वेश्चन. सेल्फ एग्जिस्टेंट, जैसे ये लाइट है ना, ये जो लाइट जल रही है यहाँ, ये कैसे जल रही है? उसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की जरूरत है तो वो जल सकती है. स्विच ऑफ कर दो तो लाइट बंद हो जाएगी. इट इज नॉट सेल्फ ल्यूमिनस, राइट? गॉड इज सेल्फ एग्जिस्टेंट. ही डजंट नीड to be born from a mother or a father. He doesn't need anybody to carve a shivling. He is there. He has always been there. That is self-existent and that is Sat. And when we say Asato Ma Sadgamaya, that Sat is that which is self-existent. Lead me to that. That is the truth. That is reality. Truth with a capital T, reality with a capital R. Right? Your questions are.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please tell the meaning of the shlok which was presented on the screen? An eternal individual and eternal unborn, undying power of one existence.
That means you've really been listening very carefully, huh?
Yes,
इसका मैंने
ma'am.
मीनिंग नहीं बताया तो आपको याद है किसका मीनिंग नहीं बताया. Very nice
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
So each one of us is in reality what? We are of course physical, vital, mental. But in reality what are we? We are that soul. ये तो सबको समझ आ गया है. अब ये soul का explanation दिया है श्री अरबिंदो ने. Soul is eternal. What does eternal mean? That which will always be. Eternal माने वो कभी खत्म नहीं होएगा. Right? Eternal individual. Individual का मतलब? हाँ. His soul is unique from his soul. Which is unique from Vinayak's soul. Which is unique from Adamya's soul. Individual. Eternal unborn. Unborn का मतलब क्या है? That which is not born. The soul will continue. The body will go. The body will be born. But the soul will not be born. It will just transfer into another body. Eternal unborn. Undying. The soul never dies. And it is the power of what? Power of that existence which is God himself. You know, इसकी कहानी बताऊं आप लोग को? सुनना एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी. How God became. God, बहुत शॉर्ट में बता रहे हैं. God was like, suppose there's a fire. हाँ? फायर में से कई स्पार्क्स निकलते हैं ना. तो God said, I am बहुश्याम बहुश्याम. I want to become many. ये वेदों से है. I want to become many. तो many कैसे बने? That he became many sparks. Analogy. Each one of the sparks was हम लोग. है ना? It was he had become many. Then he said to us, चलो आज लोग गेम खेलते हैं. तो हम लोग ने बोला क्या गेम खेलना है? तो गॉड सेड कि छुपन छुपाई खेलते हैं. लेट्स प्ले हाइड एंड सीक. तो वी सेड अच्छा तो कैसे खेलेंगे? ये बहुत सिंपल है. ये मैंने स्पेस क्रिएट किया है, मैंने टाइम क्रिएट किया है, ये मैंने यूनिवर्स क्रिएट किया है. अब इसमें मैं तुम लोग को भेज रहा हूँ. तो फिर तुम लोग को ढूंढना है. तो हम लोग बोले किसको ढूंढना है? बोले तुमको हमको ढूंढना है. तो हम लोग बोले वेरी गुड, ये तो अच्छा गेम है. ओह गॉड इज वेरी क्लेवर. ठीक से सारी बात बताई नहीं. बाद में जब हम लोग चलने लग गए, जब वापस आने का रास्ता नहीं था, तो बोले एक बात है, when you all go there you will forget who you are. We'll forget who we are. We'll forget that we are the spark. God said yes, you will forget. Then we said और कुछ छुपाया है क्या, बता दो। तो बोले हाँ एक बात और छुपाई थी। क्या छुपाई थी? यू विल फॉरगेट दैट यू आर प्लेइंग द गेम हाइड एंड सीक। किसी को याद था? आज के पहले किसी को याद था दैट गॉड इज हिडन विद इन अस? किसी को याद था कि हम वो हैं, दैट स्पार्क जिसने शुरू में हाइड एंड सीक का गेम खेला था? ऑसम। अब याद आ गया ना? अब भूलना नहीं है। अब जो काम करना है उन सब में ईश्वर के साथ में कनेक्ट करना है कि मैंने ढूंढ लिया अब तुमको। अब याद आ गया ना क्या, वाई वी आर हियर, राइट? नाउ वी हैव ओनली 7 more minutes for. Awesome, your question is answered.
Ma'am, my question is, if our soul is having the power of God, so if we find our soul, so we'll become the God.
We will not become the God immediately. We have to then carve that God out of our physical body. Abhi to there is ill health in the body, there is disease, there is weakness in the physical body. Abhi our vital body, look at our vital body, we are so limited. Me, मेरा, ये मेरा है, ये मैं अपने ही बच्चों को दूंगा, किसी और से कोई मतलब नहीं है. Where is that God? Did God do like that? So our vital body has to become wide, compassionate, loving all. Mental body, it is still ignorant. तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमय. तो ये तमस का जो अंधेरा है उसको हटा के we have to become full of light. So once we find God inside us, then by connecting to God again and again, remember, offer, invite. In everything that the mind is doing, everything that the vital is doing, everything that the physical is doing, in everything when we keep doing this 3-second magic, then slowly God, that light will come out from our outer being, and our outer being will become more and more perfect.
You answered, who am I? We are a spiritual being in a human being. As a human being.
In a human journey.
In a human journey.
We are spiritual beings in a human journey. लिख लो.
So मैम आपने जैसे बताया वो कहानी से कि हमें सिखाया जाता है हम ह्यूमन ही हैं, तो अब आगे से कोई पूछे तो हमें क्या बताना चाहिए?
आपको बोलना चाहिए I am a spiritual being in a human journey. I have to make my human being, my human part more perfect with the help of the spiritual part inside me. पर ज़्यादा लोगों के सामने सब करना नहीं चाहिए. Don't try to show. Because जब show करते हैं ना तो God अपने आप को छुपा लेते हैं. We have to do this work inside us. मम्मी पापा को बताया अलग है, but don't try to change people. When people come to you for asking, then you ask, otherwise don't. Yes, beta, your name I forgotten. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, my name is Aratrika. Ma'am, I have a question that, ma'am, how God entered to our body?
So the soul is you, because all the souls were talking to God, and God said, now we are playing hide and seek, you all have to go into this universe, and we said yes. So that is you. Now, from one life to the other, when one body dies, the soul comes out, then only then the body dies. Still the soul is inside. The body doesn't die. When does the body die? When the soul decides कि अब इस journey में कोई transformation नहीं हो रहा है, कोई perfection नहीं हो रहा है. Then the soul says, okay, I'm leaving the body. Soul leaves the body and the body dies. Then when the soul chooses after a long, we'll talk of that passage later on someday. Then when the time is ready for the soul to take another body, then when the child is being born, the soul enters into it.
So, ma'am, we can't see the gods. Why?
Why? Because we are whole outer being is not been perfected yet, na? When we start becoming more and more perfect, God may come in the dream, He may speak in the dreams, He may, it is possible, but later on, we have to first perfect ourselves, right? When you really aspire to see God, you keep writing to Him, write letters to Him. Take a copy which is only between you and your God. I did it for years. I wrote and wrote and wrote and wrote and wrote and wrote and wrote to Him. So you also do. I'm not saying I'm seeing God. I'm just saying it's a nice way to see God. Okay? Yeah. Don't think it's impossible. Don't let anybody tell you it's impossible to talk to God. It is possible to talk to God.
Ma'am, I'm Krishna Shukla from class 9th. Ma'am, can't it be that God has created the universe and He is also the universe?
It is possible. Absolutely, you're right. What a lovely thing Krishna has said. He's saying, is it not possible that God has become the universe and God has also created the universe? When He has become the universe, whose design was it?
God only.
So he's the creator.
The aim of our life is to find God.
This is the most beautiful question of today's session. Sadhika, Adamya asked a very beautiful question. He said, is the aim of life to find God? No, that is not the only aim. The aim of life is to find God and then, with the help of God, transform this imperfect physical being, transform this imperfect vital being, transform this imperfect mental being, and try to make them more and more and more perfect. Why should we make them perfect? This is a very important question I am asking. Why we should make it perfect? So that what God wants from us, what is God's will for us, that will should be done through us. है ना? God has a will for each one of us, and we should become that perfect instrument. बनूंगा ऐसा बनूंगी. I'll end with this 4 lines. बनूंगी ऐसा सहज धनुष. अदम्य, आपका क्वेश्चन, कैसा कैसा धनुष बनना है हमको? बनूंगी ऐसा सहज धनुष, कृष्ण स्वयं भुजा में ले लेंगे, प्रत्यंचा जब जब तानेंगे, दिव्य संकल्प बाण लक्ष्य भेदेंगे. We want to become so perfect that God uses us as his instrument, and whatever work he wants to get done through us is done through us like that. Direct. That is the aim of life. And उसके लिए भगवान को ढूंढना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ठीक है? We'll end with half a minute of silence and gratitude. Vande Mataram. Thank you.